Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the language of the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon that can be found in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Settings. Tap on the second button within the General section, Language and Voice, and click on the first option, which is Language. Here you can see that the default option is English, but feel free to change from these results. Click on the relevant one that you would like to use, and then you should restart the app to apply the changes as it is written down below. So once you reopen the app, then the language of the whole application will be updated. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.